Maverick. Oh my goodness.
Look, Maverick.
That is
it's a
perfect.
kitchen set.
And now you can make Grandma's breakfast.
All right.
Nice.
That one is so cool.
I want to open another one.
All right. I think this one right here.
This has all the Batmans in it. Open it.
Here, we're gonna put it over the front. This way. Look.
It's Batman.
What did you get?
That bat. I'm gonna play with it.
What is it, Maverick?
A Batman thing.
A bat cave?
Yeah. I want to play with it.
Okay.
I want to play with these guys that I like to play with. And that.
Wow.
Ooh.
Wow, what a lucky boy you are.
Oh, he wants to ride
Holy.
his Batmobile. He needs that to ride. That, and then I'm going to get that, and then I'm going to get that, 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 I'm going to get
Well,
that.
guess what? It comes with all that stuff.
Ooh! Ooh. I'm with that business. Mama. I will play in the kitchen. Build it. Let's build it.
Hang on, honey, hang on. Okay.
Mama, I want it.
Scissors.
Here come the scissors to
Scalpel.
open it up.
I hear that noise. Maybe back there, Mama.
Oh, there's a guy on there, Rob.
Yeah.
All these jokers. All of the jokers they
Look,
will.
Rachel got this out.
Who's Robin? He's Batman.
Look, here's your card.
He's next to Joker.
Hang on.
Kane, how do you push Elmo? How do you push Elmo?
Can you get Batman out there? Can you get him out there, Rachel?
I'm getting it.
Yes, please.
Batman and Robin need to go in the Batmobile. I mean the Bat car. This is the Bat car.
Okay.
I see a bat.
Oh, honey, it's okay.